Okay, let's give you guys some practice now. So here, solve this inequality and draw the number line to represent the solution. Okay, so remember that there's a minus here. So be careful. If it's a positive, it's nice and easy. But because it's a minus, you might have to break it up as this, and then later break it up as this. Well, do whatever you want. Press pause and have a go. Okay, so here, yeah, if you try and add 2x to both sides, then you're gonna I'll show you this, and I showed you this in the previous video. To do this here, break this up into this bit here. Okay, so minus 8. Hang on, let me just break these two up. 2x, and then and then break it up as this as well. So on the right hand side, visualize as this: 4 minus 2x less than or equal to minus 6. Okay. By the way, this whole range here is quite small. It's between minus 8 and minus 6, so it's quite small. So let's just try and do this one on the left hand side. So add 2x to both sides. So minus 8 add 2x, and then on this side it will be 4. Okay, and then here add 8 to both sides. So add 8 will be 12 here. This will be 2x, and then divide both sides by 2. So this will be, well, x will be less than or equal to 6. Now going back to here, add 2 to both sides. So this will be minus 6, and then you add 2x. Sorry, add 2x to both sides. So this will be 4. And then add 6 to both sides. So this will be 10, and this will be 2x. And then, well, x has to be bigger or smaller, bigger or equal to 5. Now, looking at this here, well, if you move this over to over here, it would look something like this. Now, it would look something like this: 5, 5. And then look at this here. This bit here is exactly the same as this here. Okay. Well, anyway, your solution here is x has to be x is equal. Sorry, x is between 5 and 6 basically. So if you x is between 5 and 6. So if you look at the number line, it will be this: 0 here, 5 here, 6 here. So if you choose any value in between this range here, 5 and 6, then if you put let's say let's say 5.3. Okay, if you choose 5.3 and put it into here, then this whole thing here will be bigger or equal to minus 8. But then it will also be less than or equal to minus 6. Okay, so next one here. Okay, solve this one. So press pause and have a go. Press pause and have a go. So here, break it up as this: minus 3 less than or, well, hang on. Let me just break this up. Yeah. So on one side it's like, so this here is this bit here. Now I'll break this up as this. On the right hand side, 5 minus 7x less than or equal to 10. Okay, so now on the left hand side, add 7x to both sides. So it will be this less than or equal to 5 here. This one here, add 7 to both sides. So this will be 10 plus 7x. Sorry, 7x. And then on the left hand side, add 3 to both sides. So this will be 8. This will be 7x. On the left hand side, take away 10 from both sides. So this will be minus 5. This here 7x. And then on the on the left hand side, divide both sides by 7. So x is less than or equal to 8 over 7. And on the right hand side, divide both sides by 7. So it will be minus 5 over 7. X here. So your number line. So well, move this over here. Move this over here. So it will look like this. Minus 5 over 7 being, well, x is there, this, and then now looking at this here, this would be 8 over 7. Okay, so your number line will look, yeah, will look something like this. 0 here. This number here is less than 1. So let's imagine this as being 1, but we don't need to know that. So 1, let's say, is around here. So this number here is going to be, let's say, minus 5 over 7 is here, and then well, this number here is slightly bigger than 1. So if we imagine 1 to be here, so slightly bigger than 1 here. So it's 8 over 7. Now this is well, looking at x here, x has to be bigger than this number here, bigger or equal to, but less than or equal to this number here. So your solution here will be this. Now if you select any number in between here, then and put it back into the original thing here, put it back into this original thing here, then this whole thing here will be bigger or equal to minus 3, but it will be less than or equal to 10. Okay.